You're detained. You're talking gibberish right now. You don't know what you're talking about, dude.
On March 2nd, 2022, a routine traffic stop in Akron, Ohio, escalated into multiple criminal charges. This case demonstrates how constitutional rights intersect with poor decision-making during police encounters.
Where's your window tint, man?
Oh, my window's down, bro. Stop doing that. This is our license car, bro. You keep doing that shit.
You got ID on you?
No, I don't have my ID on me, man. I just came from the house.
Sit back.
No, because, like, why y'all keep doing this for this tint, sir? I'm sorry. I ain't even mean to come off hostile, bro. I'm sorry. It is early. I'm sorry. No, but y'all keep doing this for this tint, man. No, I don't have no ID on me.
Do you know your social?
Baby? No, I don't know my social by heart,
How old
sir.
are you?
I'm 19. Man, hold on, man. He just did this on purpose. He just pulled this over.
Hold us.
No, I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
In here.
No, I'm not even.
What's your name, man? What's your name?
Eric.
Huh?
Eric.
E-R-I-C?
Yes, Eric. And then like R-O-D.
What's your middle initial, Eric?
I don't got no middle initial.
What's your birthday?
Why they keep doing this?
What's your?
Pulling me
Well,
up
I asked you how many times, man?
Oh, because it's like y'all keep bothering this teen. I pulled the window down.
You got a valid license?
Huh?
You got a valid license?
No.
Okay. What you suspended for?
Just suspended license, that's all.
Like for fines or something like that?
Yeah. That was it, man.
Well, listen, man.
Cut me a break.
I'll work with you, man. But you're gonna have to step out for me because if you are suspended, huh? Where's she stay at?
That's up there. I'm trying to go home. I turned this way just to go that way.
Listen. If you're suspended, I might get you out, see what you're suspended for, and work with you, man. Driving under suspension is like
I
that's
don't
not
want
the
to
end.
step out the car.
You have to. Driving under suspension is a arrestable offense, man.
I know, but man, can I just go? I'm going home. That's all I'm doing is going home. Like, damn. I just came from my grandmother's house. I could call my granny. She stay up the street. That's why you just see me at this corner.
Listen, dude. Listen to me.
Yeah, can he follow me home? Can you do that? Like, why you gotta be?
Listen to me.
Same stuff.
Listen to me. I'll work with you, okay? Like driving under suspension is not the end of the world.
I know, but I can't afford another ticket, though.
I understand it. I'm not saying I was gonna give you a ticket, but when I asked you out of the car and you're not going,
I don't got nothing on me.
okay, and you're not saying you're gonna get out. You're making it a hassle. But listen, but then by not getting out of the car, I could tell you you're under arrest. You want to be under arrest at that point?
I'm not even talking to you no more. I'm sorry. I ain't even.
So step on out of the car.
Or I gotta keep stepping out like.
You ain't got nothing on you, man?
Yeah, no, I'm allowed to deny you touching me too. I'm not.
Step over
here. Let you touch me.
Stop.
No, I'm saying I don't gotta do that.
Here, let go.
Stop. This is my phone. Hold on.
Put it on.
Hold on, though.
Put it on.
Arrest me, though. You trying to put me? I don't have to go in handcuffs.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Bro.
Last time I got arrested, I don't gotta go in handcuffs.
Dude.
All right, I don't gotta go in handcuffs,
Relax.
bro.
Listen.
You're not putting me in. I'm not in no type of custody.
I'm gonna pat you down.
I'll do that with my hands.
Put your hands
up.
up.
I don't go in no handcuffs, though. I don't have nothing on me. You can do all of that.
Walk back here.
Why you just trying to put me in? I don't gotta go in handcuffs.
Listen, you don't listen to me.
I'm just talking.
You don't listen.
Last time I
listen. You're under suspension as a driver.
No,
that's an arrestable
offense. I don't
offense.
have to get in the back car and do none of that.
Dude.
No, man, why are you trying to take me, bro? Dude,
stop. Right now.
All right.
I'm gonna take you. Slow the f*** down. All right. Roll the f*** over. Roll the f*** over.
Damn, get
Roll
on my
the f*** over.
You just tased me.
Roll the f*** over.
Damn, bro. I'm on Britain Road, baby. Damn, why the f*** you just tased me, bro?
Hey, you're just stepping up.
And get on my body, that shit burning, man. Please, sir, please.
Put your hands.
Damn, that shit
Stop.
hurt.
Stop.
I don't have to go in handcuffs,
Yes, you
man.
do. I'm gonna. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back right now.
Punch me, bro. Why the f did you just punch me, man? This nigga just shot me.
Shut up.
Damn, you beat my ass. I can't even fight you, bro. I'm sorry. Damn. Why you just beat my ass?
26.
What the f?
Shut the f up.
Damn, man, that's f up.
Start me.
Why you just do me like that?
32 and a supervisor.
Why the f did you just do me like that, bro? I didn't do nothing to you, sir.
Why'd you run?
Cause you scaring it. Bro, last time I went, bro, I don't go to jail, bro. Every time I get pulled over, bro, they don't do nothing to me.
Shut up.
I never had to get in the car or nothing. You just tased the
Yeah.
Up for what, bro? Damn, rip my coat, all of that. For no apparent reason. Damn, bro, just me up. Damn.
Shut up.
You seen that, bro? You got that recorded? He just punched me in my mouth and everything. You got that recorded, bro?
I mean, fucking trying to tell you,
bro,
dude.
You still beat my ass, man.
You're not talking to this dude.
What? He's watching. That's all I did was ask him a question.
And you're walking away like you did the last time.
Because you just tried to arrest me for no reason. What do you mean? You just tried to put me in handcuffs. I'm not in no type of what?
Spread your feet.
I just told you could have been searched me. You could have been did that. I don't have nothing illegal on me.
Spread your feet.
My feet spread it, man. You just already did me like that. Look.
God, spread your feet,
My
dude.
feet spread it. You been spreading them. You keep checking me. You just punched me in my mouth and all type of stuff.
Yeah, I did.
That is reckless as f. You about to get sued. Why would you punch me, bro? Why would you punch me? Why would you just punch me?
Hey, anybody coming here, I'm good.
Yeah, you just beat my ass for no reason. I'm confused.
Yeah, I know.
Why would you just do me? Can I sit like this?
Jump in there.
Please, can I sit like this,
Jump
bro?
in.
I don't feel safe with you here. Like,
Fucking car, dude.
damn, can you get my phone? Why you just beat me up like that, though, bro? With no reasoning, bro. You just beat my ass. Damn, we're supposed to be working something. Now you just beat my ass. What was the reason for that? Huh, sir? How you just sit here and just do that, bro? You don't got no answers for me? You can't talk no more?
What?
Why would you just do me like that, bro?
You did yourself like that.
You just beat my ass, bro. You just tased me, slammed me, and punched me. Why would you do me like that? I ain't do nothing to you, bro. I was corroborating and everything. As soon as I tell you can't put me in cuffs, you want to get hostile. I know my rights, bro.
You don't know your rights. Hey, you're getting checked out. Quit crying like a baby.
Huh?
You're getting checked out. Quit crying like a baby.
I'm just saying, bro. You know you dead wrong for how you just did me.
I know. I did it so wrong,
Why you do
bro.
me like that? I was corroborating with him. As soon as I tell him he can't put me in cuffs or whatever, he
He just got tased.
I'm not here for the police stuff.
Turn around.
What's wrong with you?
He just
punched me in
tased.
my mouth and tased me and slammed me on the floor. For no apparent reason, though. Like, that was just uncalled for, bro.
Is there any other bars?
For no reason, bro.
The one hit his leg.
You just fucked me up for no reason, bro.
Yeah, hold on. Step forward a second.
Stop moving, man.
Bro, I'm hurting. What do you mean?
Where's the? Oh, it's up in here, I think. The Barbie.
Oh, he just jawed me in my shit.
You need your clip back at all?
No.
Can I make a phone call?
No, you can't make a phone call. Jump back in there.
I can't call my lawyer.
No.
Hell yeah.
Why you acting like that towards me, bro?
What's your social?
I just told if I could get I could call and get my socials, my thing. I could call my people. Can I call my mother?
What's your name?
He says Eric.
Eric
What
what?
my last name is? Bro, you got it right.
Eric. What's that?
Huh?
What's that? What's your name?
What you just say?
He's gonna get your vitals. What's your name, though?
I just told you my name was Desmond. Bro, you just didn't hear me do none of that shit, bro. Just said this shit.
Desmond now. So he's gonna put misrep on his stuff too. God, man.
Bro, you know you just heard me say my name was Desmond. You acting like a weirdo, bro.
What'd you give me the first time?
I
Eric.
said, no, I didn't. I didn't say nothing about no everything. What you talking about?
Let's examine the legal foundation. The initial stop was sound under the Fourth Amendment's reasonable suspicion standard. When the driver admitted his license was suspended, the officer gained arrest authority under Ohio Revised Code Section 4510.11. Here's where established case law becomes critical. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, officers may order occupants from vehicles during lawful stops. This authority exists regardless of whether the officer suspects the occupant is armed or dangerous. The subject's refusal to exit violated this lawful order, establishing grounds for obstruction charges. His claim that he could refuse to be touched reveals a fundamental misunderstanding of arrest procedures. The law is clear. Once lawfully arrested, individuals have no right to resist, regardless of their belief about the arrest's validity. Now, analyzing the use of force. The physical resistance triggered Graham versus Connor's objective reasonableness standard. Courts examine three factors: crime severity, immediate threat level, and active resistance or flight attempts. In this case, all three factors supported the officer's use of control techniques. But the most serious violation occurred when the subject provided false identification, initially claiming his name was Eric. Later identifying as Desmond violated Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.29, adding a separate criminal charge. The final tally: 3 distinct charges: misrepresenting identity, obstructing official business, and resisting arrest. Each carries potential jail time and fines under Ohio law.
Okay, we're done talking to you. You step out, he's gonna get your vitals.
Acting weird,
For
bro.
the little baby here.
Jasmine, where's your birthday?
You acting weird as hell, bro.
I know, man.
Oh, look. The 29th?
Of what? When's your birthday?
He don't know it.
When's your birthday?
You some sisters. I don't know who to trust right here. I don't know, cause bro, you just
You all got him put up already?
beat me up for no reason. You just beat my ass. Why you just do me like that, bro? Where's your frustration this morning? Why are you ever like that this morning? For you to be like,
And why are you running?
you just scared the shit out of me. You just tried to slam me once I told you can't arrest me, bro. I was gonna do everything you wanted me to.
Oh, you were?
Hell yeah.
You know, driving under suspension or arrestable offense.
Yes.
You go in handcuffs for that.
Chicago 4 just let me go. I swear to God, they didn't put me in no handcuffs.
Oh man, I think this says City of Akron.
Oh, that, man, I know the law. I know y'all two in the same district.
You know the laws more than I
In the
do.
same area.
I know.
We're in the same area.
They're actually different. It's a whole different city.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all help each other though. Y'all in the same district, bro. Y'all know y'all help each other. Y'all be up here in the forest too.
Same district?
Yes, y'all be in the forest too. Just how they be in your area, y'all be in the forest too.
All right, man. You think what you want.
That's where you at right now. You in a heights. This is the highest area.
Yeah,
You go down-
in Akron.
If you go down, there's some more Chicago forest that way.
No, it's Talmadge that way.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They police is that way though. They police stations up there in the Thomas Circle.
Holy moly.
That's the Talmadge, man. That's the Talmadge
The
police.
same thing.
Well, that's the same
Y'all
thing.
the same.
Yeah, Thomas. Y'all the
No.
same police.
No,
All the same.
we're different cities.
Well, all I know is they ain't arrest me when they pulled me over.
Okay.
They just talked to me. I did everything you wanted to do, straight off my car.
All right.
And I was
look,
over here, I
look,
did.
look.
But then soon he got
Hey,
slammed me.
listen to
I'm
me.
like,
Listen to
damn.
me. The supervisor's on his way. You can talk to him, okay?
You try to body me like. Do me like that, bro. We could have just sat and talked.
You could have not ran.
What you trying to run? Like, you was trying to slam me, talking about you got to put me in the back of the cop car. Like,
Yes, you were going to go back in the cop car.
see, that's
No, no, no. No, no. No. Okay, well, my supervisor can come to you and tell you that you had to.
That's crazy.
I know, man.
Unless you was fully like detained.
You are. It's a traffic stop. You're detained. You're talking gibberish right now. You don't know what you're talking about, dude.
You never told me I was being detained. You just like.
I said you were under arrest. Yes, driving under suspension is an arrestable offense.
Said, did you know that's an arrestable offense? That's what you said. You never said that you was arrested. Them was your exact words.
He's code one, all yours.
Yep. Oh, man. Talmadge stopped you and got all these guns out your car. Your girl, you ain't even live under. You live up on, Independence. Beating your girl all the time. Beating your girl all the time. Yeah, that's not even close. It's not even close, but yeah, there was 2 guns. Talmadge got you with 2 guns.
How is that not close, sir?
You stayed. Independence.
No, my grandmother stays on Grandview. I just told you where I came from.
Evaluating performance, the officer receives a grade of B+ for legal compliance and tactical professionalism. He correctly articulated legal authority, attempted multiple de-escalation strategies, and used proportional force. Areas for improvement include earlier backup requests and more decisive enforcement once resistance became apparent. The subject, however, receives a grade of D- for multiple critical failures. Providing false identification was completely avoidable and transformed a minor violation into a felony-level situation. Each decision to refuse orders, physically resist, and demonstrate ignorance of basic legal rights compounded his jeopardy. The bottom line: what could have been a citation became multiple criminal charges with potential incarceration. So what can we learn from this encounter? First, always provide truthful identification to law enforcement. Second, comply with lawful orders during traffic stops, even if you disagree with them. Third, Understand that physical resistance never improves your legal position and always results in additional charges. Fourth, remember the proper venue to challenge an arrest legality is in court with an attorney, not on the street. Fifth, understanding the difference between your actual rights and misconceptions can prevent criminal charges. And finally, recognize that officers have broad authority during traffic stops, including ordering exits and conducting pat-downs. Your compliance protects both your safety and your legal interests. This encounter perfectly illustrates how a $60 window tint violation became thousands in legal fees and potential jail time. Every decision to resist multiplied the consequences exponentially. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction content. Remember to like and subscribe for continued legal analysis.